Let's make homemade graham crackers using proof Rouge de Bordeaux flour. These crackers have golden crunch, spice, and a rustic, toasty depth that regular flour just can't deliver. In a large bowl, you're going to combine 240 grams of Rouge de Bordeaux flour, 100 grams of brown sugar, a half teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk it until it's blended. Next, add 95 grams of cold cubed butter. Use a pastry cutter or a fork. You're going to want it to look like coarse breadcrumbs. Drizzle in 65 grams of honey and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you're going to pour in 60 grams of milk to start, then mix until it begins to come together. If the dough feels dry or crumbly, add more milk, just 1 teaspoon at a time, until you have a soft but slightly sticky dough. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface and gently work it into a smooth disc. Cover and chill for about 20 minutes. This helps to hydrate the flour and it makes it easier to roll. Once chilled, you're just going to divide it in half and work with one portion at a time. Lightly flour your surface dough and rolling pin. Then you're going to roll it into an 8 by 10 rectangle, about a 1/4 inch thick. Use a knife or bench scraper to score the top into squares or rectangles. Then you're going to prick each one with a fork to give them that classic graham cracker look. Carefully transfer the mat or paper to a baking sheet. Bake in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown with crisp edges. Let them cool completely to finish crisping up. And that's it! You got homemade graham crackers with a hint of cinnamon and a perfect honey sweetness. For extra crispness, place the baking sheet back in the oven for 5 minutes, with the oven turned off. That warm oven will make for extra snappy crackers. These are perfect for snacking, or a homemade touch to recipes that call for graham crackers. Once you've had these, you're not going to go back to store-bought.